Hey everyone, Rick here. Just like to take this opportunity to say thanks to everyone for the subscribes, the views, the likes, everything that's been coming my way lately on my channel. I really appreciate it. Like to give a big shout out to my in-laws down in Brickton, the other end of the valley. Jim and Carol, I heard you guys been watching my videos. Hope you like the content. Just wanted to say hi. So this next string of clips is just a few videos about fixing the truck, fixing the dry shaft after our trip up Claremont and having it shear off the bolts. Just a couple little odds and ends. And next video where I'm going to drop is Salty Skull. Pretty good wheeling adventure that we went on with the club, Valley Off-Roaders. I know you guys are going to like some of the footage in that. A little bit of carnage. So yeah, check that out when I drop it. Should be hopefully in the next couple days. Thanks again. See you in the next video. Well, I got the dry shaft tore apart the other day, and I just went through and chased all the threads in the cardan, and there's two caps that were bad, a little loose, so I just swapped them up to some good caps. Threw this thing back together. This dry shaft's getting really tired. I don't know how much life is left in it, so I'm gonna have to buy another one. I got this one from Tom Woods. Might try high angle drive line next time. Not that I had a bad experience with this shaft, because I've had it for years, like 10 plus years. But just think I might try them. That's who I got my drive line brake from, and just see what they offer for a product. This thing's been beat to death. I can't even change the joint down here. Luckily it's still good, but it just got beat so bad from the lower joint breaking, and then this thing flopping around. It's ovaled this hole, so I can't get the cap out even if I wanted to. But here's the problem that I ran into. This ear on the cardan, it must have been the last bolt that got snapped off, and it bent it back and out a little bit, so I couldn't get it to bolt up when I put it in the truck. I tried for probably 45 minutes swapping around the yoke and trying different bolts at different trying them all loose and then drawing them in, but there's just this one I couldn't get. So I pulled the dry shaft out, and this is an old yoke that I had, an old output. The sealing surface is toast on it, so just made it so that I could bolt it up. I beat and pounded on this thing and tried different things. Finally I got it bolted up and got it drawn in, so I'm gonna take this off and put it back in the truck and see how I make out. Okay guys, I got the dry shaft back in. It bolted up pretty good. Not too much of a struggle there. Now I'm just going to take it for a quick test drive just to make sure it's going to flow all right, not make a whole bunch of noise. I've got a wheeling event tomorrow with the 4x4 club, Valley Off-Roaders. We're going to do a trail up on the South Mountain. So yeah, hopefully this all works out for me.
later.
So the shaft works, it makes noise, but it made noise before. That's part of the reason why I need a new one. So yeah, hopefully we'll be going out wheeling tomorrow, do the group run, and have a video to show for that, as long as nothing breaks. So yeah, look forward to that video coming up soon, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.